Up, everybody! Time to dance with Qai Qai! Summer style! Do you like the beach? That's so cool! I love the beach! When I go, here are 3 summer-style dance moves that always come in handy. Brush off the sand, the high five, and the big wave! Remember to watch till the end for a dance party! Ready? First, let's brush off the sand. On a beach vacation, sand gets everywhere. Take your hand and brush your shoulder to get it off. Brush, brush, and brush. You got it! Brush, 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 and brush. Wow, great job! Are you sure you aren't a professional dancer? Amazing! Ready for the second move? This one is called the high five. Let's do it! When you're on vacation, you're having fun with other people. Imagine high-fiving the person next to you. Your best friend, your dog, even your mom and dad. When I say hi, you're going to reach for the other person. When I say 5, give me a big clap. Ready? Let's try it out. High five, high five, high five, high five. Wow, you got it. You're amazing. Don't worry about messing up. Just remember to have fun. Let's finish strong. The last move is the big wave. Copy me. Let's try that again, but slower. Pretend you're the ocean. You're going to use your shoulders to make a big wave. Big wave. Big wave. Now we're gonna pretend our fingers are jellyfish. Wiggle those fingers. Now, let's put it all together. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Wow, you're so cool. We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It's time for a
dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff. Big wave. High five. Brush off the sand. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. You're a ray of summer sunshine. Thanks for dancing with Qai Qai. Summer style. See you again soon.